What's going on, guys? My name is Anandan and today I'm gonna be making a new type of video which is going to be tutorials on Vegas Pro. Many of my friends wanted to know how to use Vegas Pro, what are the things that they can do on Vegas Pro. So I thought, why not make a change in my channel and upload some tutorial videos as well. So my first tutorial video is going to be some basic things in Vegas Pro. But don't worry, I'll be still uploading my gameplay videos. Okay, so first we're gonna be opening up Vegas Pro. Let's get into it. Oh, and before that, let me tell you, I'm gonna be using my Doom Eternal video which I published yesterday as an example of this video. So make sure you like that video, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It takes a lot of hard work to make this video, as well as like this video, please. Can we hit 10 likes in this video, please, guys? Let's do this. Let's get into Vegas Pro. Let's open it first. Okay, the Vegas Pro is right now opening. Okay, it has opened. Let me just make it full screen. So here, this is the main window of Vegas Pro. So we're gonna do, the first step will be importing a video or audio, whatever you like. In this case, I'm gonna be importing a video. There are two ways to import a video. One is to go to import media and browse through your directories to get the video file you want to import, and the second will be directly dragging the video into. So this is the video. I'm gonna be dragging it here. So it is telling to, do you want to set the video project settings to match this media? I'm gonna be pressing yes, as that video is 1080p and I want this video to be 1080p as well. So I'm gonna be pressing yes. So the video is now imported over here. You see there's this bar which takes you frame by frame to reach a spot you want to either cut, split, whatever you want to do, you can do. So this is the thing. So let's get the main first part which I want to explain here is splitting of the clips. You see, you don't for example, you don't want so many parts of a video. You want a certain part. For example, this part, this small part. Okay, so you have to bring this marker over here and you have to right click on it and press split. Splitting will split that part of the video. So now I want to bring it in the end, suppose. So I brought it in the end. Now I'm going to be playing the last part of it, for example. And the video is now playing that part, that clip which I split. Now it is playing at the end. So that was it for this one. The next part will be adding some text and how you can give some effect on that text. Effects, I mean some kind of small animations which are inbuilt in Vegas Pro. So let's get into it. We're gonna be pressing the media generator which is beside video effects. Media generators, we have to select legacy text. There are many kinds of text over here: hot, cool, banner, heavy outline, soft shadow, but I like to use soft shadow the most, so I'm gonna be using that. Okay, so before you bring the text, you have to click on an empty space over here and select insert video track. So now you have to drag this text over here, front part. I want it here. So you cannot see that text, like the sample text which is written here, you cannot see that, and you have to bring this marker over here to see sample text. Now for example, I want to write my channel name, Kookabazuka. You see, it is too big. I don't want it that big, so I want to make it small. So what I do is select and we make it small. This is the size, you all know that. And if I want to change the font of it, we click this one. So now there are many fonts. I don't know who requires so many fonts, but it's nice. I want Marlet. That was not good. Microsoft Yahoo. I don't know what it changed, but changed something. Okay, so now I want this text to be on the top left corner. What will I do is I'm gonna be pressing this one, even pran/crop. So it will bring up this window. Now this is the frame of your video. The video or this text here, I'll just put it on this one. You see the frame's top left corner, and here also it is showing like that. So it is like this. Okay, now if I play the video from start, see, it is going to be the top left. So this part is done. The next part will be of that small animation type thing of the text, which is going to be just above legacy text, which is tiles and text. There are many kinds: action flip, bounce, coming at you, double dash glow, final, fall down, sorry, earthquake, dropping words, and many more. So I'm gonna be using action flip as an example. So I select action flip and I bring it over here. So it is showing action flip. I don't want action flip, I want my channel name, okay? Boom. See, you see this action flip, see the Kuka Bazooka, the A is getting out of the frame. What will I do? I'll just quickly select and make it small. Easy. Oh, and one more thing, I need to explain this one. Why you need to put the text above your video. The main video you want the text to appear on, the text should be above the video. Why? Because if you put the text lower your video, the video will overlap your text and your text will not be seen. Your text will only be seen when you reduce the opacity of the main video you imported, so that the main video will get a little bit faded and the text will be seen. But that we don't want. We want the text to be over the video so that it can be clearly seen. So here it is. Now let us start the video. See, it is coming like that as the animation suggests. So next thing we want is, for example, I want this text to be the color white. So I press this one, the video media generators, which is on the left side of the text. So here's the text color. I want it to be white. So I select white. Now it is white. Let's see. Now it's pretty easy. You just need a little bit of concepts. That's it. If you guys have any kinds of queries you want to ask, you can comment down below. I'm going to answer them all, believe me. So this part is now done, and now the next part will be, and the last part for this video will be fading of video. It is very easy. It is really easy actually. You know, for example, fading from here, you have to fade a video to whatever the the text or the video you want the fade effect to be. You have to go to the top left corner over here when you see these two arrows going like this. So it is written fade in offset. You have to select it or click it perhaps, and you have to drag it. You want to drag a little bit, if you want quick fade in the effect. So let's see how it works. See, the video faded. The first part did not come. And now if you want the fading to be coming slower, so what we need to do, we need to drag it a little bit more. Now see, it will come a little bit late. See, the text already appeared, but the video will now appear. See, it is slowly appearing. As I pulled the fading offset a little bit more than required, now it is appearing. So this you can do it anyways. For even the ending of a video, you can pull the fade in offset like this from the end to make the video like this way. You can fade in both ways. So that's it for this video. Subscribe, like this video, and I'm gonna be making the part 2 of this tutorial soon with new things, new concepts. So that's it for this video. Goodbye. Meet you in the next video.